Here we have the B&T KH9SD. Put on the telescopic brace there and converted the mag well to take the coffin mags and the drums. Haven't had any issues with the drums or the mags. I'm going to show you what that looks like here. It's a pretty tight fit getting in there, taking it out, but reliability, haven't had a problem with that. As you can see, it's still pretty tight. Right now I'm still waiting on the form 4 for the suppressor. I put a hand stop on here just kind of as a guide to keep your hand a little bit closer and a reminder, because the barrel does stop 4 inches in the hand guard there. And you obviously don't want your hand forward to that while you're shooting. There's a barrel nut that you put over the barrel here if you don't shoot with the suppressor, because that barrel is ported all the way around, and the suppressor will go over top of that once you have that on here. Check, just make sure that's safe, unloaded, good. So to break this down, just gonna depress the trigger there. You have 2 little takedown pins here, kind of similar to the AR-15 style. So what I'm gonna do is just depress those a little bit. See if I can pull that out from the other side there. I got that out. Take off trigger group here. Pretty basic takedown, so you take off. If you don't have the brace here, you'll still have the end cap on there. Just pull up a little bit. It comes out. So it all comes out here. Then you'll have your bolt. Take this back, pops right out. Bolt slides out. That's the basic field strip there. So your bolt will go back in. Just gonna slide that back because you want to line that back up there. On the top, put this back in. It's back in. This slides right back in here. Do is line that up and get that upside down here. Depress this back in, just push it back down, locks back in. Trigger group here, you'll see that there's a little hole in the front here on the trigger guard. That'll line up with a little indentation there. Once you got that all lined up, go ahead and push a little pressure on there. There we go. And what that's doing is putting a little tension on this here, so you want to depress this down a little bit too. That way you can push that back in. There we go, and then you got your bolt catch on the top here as well. That's it. Pretty cool firearm here.